Alright, what's going on everybody? Today is Sunday, it's April 30th. I was going to vlog yesterday, just did not happen because of the weather. Colorado pulled a classic move on it. It was 28 degrees and snowing all day yesterday, so I just stayed inside, got some work done on the computer, and that was about it. Today, got out, went to church this morning, and now we're back in Pueblo, me and Julie, doing a few errands here, and then we're going to head back home and get some stuff done there. But I just wanted to show you guys kind of like the toll it took. This was a heavy and wet snow. It broke a ton of branches around town and really just kind of made a mess of things.
Just the past 30 minutes, CDOT shut down westbound I-70 Morrison because so many cars have spun out there.
Hey, this storm has really flexed its muscle a few times already, and there's plenty more to come.
West, but this is mostly a front range storm, as you can see.
Trees being weighed down by the snow. I mean, take a look at this thing.
With over 60 flights delayed this evening.
Even weighing down trees in Parker, neighbors living near Main Street have some cleanup ahead of them.
Here, 6 to 12 more inches of snow out toward Burlington and Lyman and down toward Trinidad.
Everything had just started to green up and really start to bloom, and now the snow just kind of ruined that. But we needed the moisture, so we'll take what we can get. We're at Dick's right now.
You don't know how to love, how to love, how to love. You see things on what they see, but you just rise above, rise above, rise above. Could you be carefree, honestly, even when times are tough, times are tough, times are tough. You don't know how to love, how to love, how to love. Could you know how to love, how to love, how to love? You don't know how to love, how to love, how to love. Could you know how to love, how to love, how to love? Could we agree to you see beauty in small things. Can flaws be overcome, overcome, overcome? Could we tie love up in a stream? Or will you come undone, come undone, come undone? If you show inclination, I could show admiration. But you are not who you're trying to be. I can feel your frustration. Can you feel the temptation?
We're at the grocery store now.
No, I'm not. Got it.
Is it harder to fool than what you perceive? You don't know how to love, how to love, how to love. Could you know how to love, how to love, how to love? You don't know how to love, how to love, how to love. Could you know?
So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I know it's a really short vlog today, shorter than most of my other ones, but I want to move towards making something every weekend, at least one video every weekend. I work too much during the week, and my weekdays are kind of redundant and kind of repeat themselves. So I think on the weekends when I do stuff and I do a little bit more fun kind of stuff, that I want to make a vlog about it. And so they might be short, they might be long. It just kind of depends on what's going on that weekend. But I want to make a commitment to doing at least one every weekend and see how that goes for a little while, and just, you know, kind of go that way. But I hope you guys enjoy this one. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one.
How to love.